This is an entertainment product for the ages. With the assistance of 3 other colleagues, we have developed a machine learning-powered augmented reality pool training system. Adapting to the popular phone game of 8-ball pool, this sustainable friendly system will give visually stimulating projections of where a ball will travel when hit with a cue stick. Providing a stimulating training platform will encourage people to play billiards at pool halls and increase socialization and hence a sense of community during a post-pandemic era. Though this is a complex system, the cost of material, software, etc. came out at $200, which will help bring money to the entertainment industry and fuel the economy. This product was made possible with 4 modules: object detection, graphical user interface, a mathematical model, and an overhead acquisition unit used to project the GUI onto a pool table.
Pool table was not looking very good. We should go show him up there.
Yeah, man, he was horrible. We could totally destroy him.
Let's go make it happen.
All right, come on, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Want to see me hit the shot real quick?
Yeah, let's see it, man.
All right, check this out.
Damn.
Yeah.
You've been practicing.
I know.
Let's go. I'm not ready for this.
Hey guys, you mind if I try this out? I've always wanted to play this game.
Oh man. Sure, man. Give me your best shot. That one's got your name on it.
There you go.
You guys lined it up for me, thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks, man.
Oh my
I
god.
hate this game. Oh.
Get out of here, man.
Get outta here.
Oh jeez.
Wrong spot.
Hey man, you doing alright over here? I saw what you shot over there, it was pretty pathetic. But boy do I got an idea for you. It's the system called OnCue. It's going to train you to make you the best pool player ever. Alright?
Really?
Yeah man.
Yeah, you do that for me?
I'll do that
Oh
for
my
anybody.
god, I'm so excited. Let's do this, man.
Yeah,
let's
bro,
go.
Object detection was accomplished using Python, the OpenCV library, and a YOLO v3 machine learning model that was trained. This model was trained with 200 of our own images and by establishing 4 classes: cue ball, target ball, cue stick, and a stick tip. The model is used to receive live footage of the pool game and set coordinates of the different identified objects to map them onto the GUI. Using the tkinter Python library, a spotlight around the cue ball is continuously drawn and updated depending on the position of the cue ball. A line coming out of the cue stick is also drawn. Tracking of the cue ball and the cue stick is shown to be flawless, and the projections line updated as expected. To assist the player and simplify the mathematical model, we assume the player hits the ball directly in the middle, so no spin is accounted for. When a player lines up the cue stick with the cue ball, and the cue ball will hit a target ball on that path, a trajectory line is shown from the target ball which shows the player where the ball will go. The trajectories of the target balls are handled based on 2 collisions: a normal collision, i.e. the target ball follows the cue stick line, and an oblique collision. This is continuously calculated and hence projected onto the table in real time. Issues involving the direction of the ball traveling had to be overcome for this portion to work. To capture live footage and project the GUI, a typical iPhone was used along with an app called DroidCam, which allowed us to send footage in real time to our Python code. Using Autodesk Inventor, a mount was designed and 3D printed to hold a projector and camera above the pool table. A homemade pool table was also crafted to reduce costs for testing, allow for rigorous testing, and to show proof of concept. The following is the final result of our product and how one could use our product to train their skills and beat their comrades. So here, when the projection line is not lined up with a pocket, it shows a dotted line, but when it is lined up, it's a solid line. Like that. There, why don't you give it a try?
I'd love to.
And as you can see here, there are projections over the cue ball and target ball, and a projection line coming from the target ball to the pocket, and Joel drains both shots and is ready to play.
I'm waiting my whole life for this moment. I'm finally ready.
Okay, I'm Tiger.
Hey, look who it is, man. Look
No
who it is.
way. Not this guy again.
I'm back, and this time, I'm ready to rumble.
Oh yeah, let's see it, man. Let's see it.
Get him
Here.
a stick. Get him a stick. Get him a stick.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Does he even know how to break?
I know.
Wow. Nice shot.
Good game, man.
Oh my god, we didn't get a single ball.
I know. That's what happens sometimes.
How did you get this good so fast?
Well, I'll tell you, I used the on-cue augmented reality machine learning pool table training system.
What is that?
It's this really